tried for a day to do it ourselves, but finally realized we couldn't get it out, so called my insurance company and got a hold of Kelley, and it went great from there. Kelley was here in a short time, had blowers, fans, and dried it up and took the carpet out, and it was really great.
Pod was here in a half hour and got the furniture out. And then they raised the carpet and put all the fans on it. John and Kim Dooley was great to work with at State Farm. They're very personable and they take care of us.
Definitely recommend John and Dooley, insurance agents, to anybody. I've been with them for some time. They've always taken very good care of me. And anybody I know that has a water leak and I know about it, I'm going to tell them to call Kelley for sure, because they were really great. Don't try to do it yourself like we did, because it's just, you can't, when it comes to padding and carpet and stuff, you can't do it yourself.